Hello, psychology class. Welcome to the video tutorial on keeping track of your sources within your Google Doc. So we've narrowed down our topic and we've set up our template and saved that into our Google Docs. How do we keep track of all of these great sources that we found both on the internet and through Info Ohio? Google Docs actually has a really easy way to do this for us. Okay, so remember how we made our template with our title page. Let's talk about how to keep track of all of these wonderful sources within Google Docs itself. So we're going to go to Tools and click the Citations choice, and then you'll see on the right-hand side that opens up a menu bar. We're going to make sure we're in APA because that's how this paper needs to be formatted, and we're going to click Add Citation Source. Now remember, when we'd searched on Info Ohio, I found that great Meditation as Stress Relief article. I found some good information in it. We need that first page to get all of our reference page info. And so let's go in and add it in. So that is a journal article, and we accessed it by an online database. Remember, we used Academic Search Premier within Info Ohio. So the authors, let's check the spelling on those on the document itself and then type first and last names in. You'll notice that anything with a blue asterisk is a recommended field. You have to fill all of those in order for this to format properly. We have two authors, so let's hit the plus sign on contributor so we can put David Spector's name in. Okay, and then let's see what else we need to add as a required field. We need the title, the journal title. So here's our title. I'm going to highlight that and copy and paste that in. There we go. And the journal title was up there at the top. Social Behavior and Personality is the name of the journal this article appeared in. So we'll put that in over here. Now, volume and issue number, if you look at the top of the article, you're going to see that that always appears after the year. So the 37.3 there, the volume number is the one that comes first, and the one in parentheses is the issue. So this is volume 37 of the journal and the third issue of that year. And we see after that pages 307 to 312. So let's put the pages in that appeared. And now you'll see some information that's not needed, but we definitely need the published year. And so we remember that's from 2009. And then we also need the database and the DOI. So the database, remember that we used was Academic Search Premier. And the DOI, that's like the permanent URL of an academic journal, but that never changes. So we can always find it using that number there. The digital object identifier for this article is that funky number letter combo. Okay, so that is all the required info. We hit add citation source and there it is. So we will talk in future videos how to use this for in-text citations and for your reference page.